You're not gonna get better pricing for this type of building from any of the other. I looked at least at 4 or 5, and this was the best. My name is Jose Fernandez. I've been in Texas 20 years. I've been here in Bertram for 9 years. And I needed a metal building, 1 for parking my vehicles, and 2 to do work outside, obviously to get out of the sun. And that's how I ended up finding Allen's Carports online. As you can see the building, I needed the height so that I can drive either a tractor or a big truck underneath to do work. And this model also has the sides on it for a little bit of, we get inclement weather out here, so you want to stay out of the rain. My experience with the 3D Builder customization was exceptional. It was clear. I was able to put the colors, put the panels exactly how I wanted, and it showed me a panoramic view exactly of what it would look like. So I was super satisfied with that. If I could add one future feature that I did not think about this go round would be gutters. Having this carport, it's gonna allow me to do more outdoor things. Being outside, another thing I didn't mention is the dogs are gonna use that too, to be outside, to stay out of the weather. And there are times when I'm not here and the dogs can't be locked inside, so that definitely they will be using